Hello, cellos. It's Miss Gretchen here. So today we're going to talk about a couple of new notes. This fingering chart you see on the left-hand side is really cool because it can help you find any note on the cello you need to. For today, we're only going to talk about two new notes. And on my A string, I've always used 1, 3, and 4. And on the D string, I've always used 1, 3, and 4. Well, today we're going to actually start to use 2. So here's the interesting thing that happens. On this fingering chart, here's your first tape, here's your third tape, here's your fourth tape. Right now, we use this C sharp with our third finger. If we use our second finger instead, we're going to get a C natural. On the D string, our third finger is an F sharp. If we go back and use our second finger, we get an F natural. So now the real question comes, when do I use one of these or the other? Well, let's clear these out so we can actually talk about that more easily. And I only have one hand because I need to hold the cello. Okay. So here's what happens. In the beginning, all of the songs that you learned to play all had this key signature. Key signature means at the beginning of the song. And what this is there's an F sharp here and a C sharp. What that means is every F in the song you make sharp, every C in the song you make sharp. Well, when we told you just to go ahead and use your third fingers, you had F sharps and C sharps. You didn't have to really know what the key signature was. Today's the day we're going to learn about them, though. And so that just happened automatically. But now what can happen is we're going to see a new key signature. And it's going to be this. It's only going to have the F sharp. So that means that we still continue to use the third finger on the D string right here. But when we go over to the A string, there's no C sharp anymore. So that means that on the A string, we need to use our second finger so that we have C naturals, not C sharps. So this means from now on, you're going to need to check the key signature at the beginning of the song. It shows up at the beginning of the song and then the beginning of every line to remind you what it is. And you'll need to look and see what sharps it says are in the song and make those sharp and make sure that the other ones aren't. So I hope that this has helped and I hope you have a fun time with it.